All you want this video, kawa metro makana share button sharing this video. And well for the fair ya unne checking na mamuam. Love it. Where is love it? It's a question I'm asking. Where is love it? You wanna go? All these things we feel ya wone me isn't inwe hanya and inwe hunter da nife. A man all these things are a way you people are trying to pull down a man of God down. Where is Lovett? How far about that story? May go that story jump and pass. So that one I wanna aborted mission. Mission failed. Mission failed. Aborted mission. Mission failed. Are you trying to tell me that now all that indeed Nande Zion contract Lovett Kobia Melu Harinji? Are you trying to tell me that now by now I am asking you the question, why is it that all of a sudden everything about Lovett Dalubina all of your hanare to a house with your what fat even in the order 1 million? You are now asking me, Lovett is go say, Lovett is say somebody ono say no je ma arrange with uno or nyanwe non Zion diri enya je me that arrange. Emecha onye muno arrest ya, not even Zion that arrested her. Onye muno arrest ya. The matter not in a better position to expose a lot of things. But for the fact that now what happened in Enugu has nothing to do with Lagos, but you failed to use what happened in Enugu to prove a point against somebody non Lagos. Have you not seen that you people should stop trying? Stop trying. Ona try izina. Na one Ziobi akarigo choki. Ona try izina. As in can have go do the issue of Lovett. Come on na issue of Lovett. Umurifu ye mepe na nyende mother. But we are waiting for the next story to jump on. They are now waiting for the next story to jump on. Why are they not on? Now, you know, all these people, especially Matthias, I thought now, Lovett one name Matthias Nenugu. I thought now Matthias I can use the opportunity. Locate Lovett. Try ya. Manoli no way. Oh yes, we will put a Lovett, but they did not do it. They did not do it. Lovett appear in a court. The rest is history. Up till now, we are yet to know. Look at what happened and look at what happened. And that is to show you how innocent Zion ministry do. Now the issue of Lovett. Somebody can go to a car shop, snap one at a car shop. Will you claim more testimony even before that testimony abia? A lot of people make how you choose to live your life has nothing to do with the moral ways to go. If it works for you, I mean, if it works for you, if it works for you, if your child will be, at least if we are going to forget about Lovett, let us have it in mind that it is now very clear that testimony in Lovett has nothing to do with Zion ministry. Zion ministry do neutral. Zion ministry are not involved. If there is anything that is anyhow, it is Lovett's decision or people who plotted her. Yes, it might be. Let us not throw away the fact that it may be her decision. It may be also people who plotted her. Now, let me tell you number one place Zion will dislodge, if at all no when they plant Lovett. Who by Lovett the Arabia Guahamagata testimony, they told her to go and bring proof. On a one me bema, save photo such as photo go say on no nime motoma, save photo such as photo, save video, Nararia mota apota, yase no homotum. Mba na efa umutum, yase no homotum, okifonye kwalon kota ko yaza. Nse wona efa umutum. Kero ke no logo ke dife with your business kije nyocha ba ke ma ebe nguru mota mara ego nguru moto ọ gbasara ongo ya anya egotara ngo Kenya. So if at all we are going to wave and forget about Lovett issue, let us forget about it on the fact that Zion ministry do 100% innocent and exonerated from the issue of Lovett. You can't leave it pending or in the name of Narijinga Gagofelo. No, because you have failed to prove na Zion ministry involved in this. I expected those people in Enugu who have all it takes to use it at their disposal to prove that na Zion ministry involved in testimony. It failed. They couldn't do anything, even when it is to their own advantage, in their own territory. In their own territory. They failed to prove anything. I ask, if truly Evangelist Ebukobi J. Lovett Wema arrange, is this how powerful Evangelist Ebukobi can be? That all the way from Lagos, he can be able to manipulate the entire police command in Enugu. He can be able to manipulate the whole people in Enugu. He can cripple the whole people in Enugu that they failed to do anything. You people can get information. You can even do whatever. But China Abakunure Evangelist Ebukobi Ogo na Basiri Yogu Ike. China Abakunure Evangelist Ebukobi Ogo na Basiri Yogu Ike. Clear conscience fears no accusation. All of it. All the one he prove your point. Let me tell you what happened when Blessing CEO Jesse Photo Nuno Kelafe Nuno Dogu na Malaysia also. It happened before. Blessing CEO Jesse Photo gosi ndị mmadụ na ife awune because of ife a na-eme na Facebook. Emecha Odogwu wefu the video, ndị mmadụ wee kpọ Odogwu wee gwa na okoro onye Jesse Photo si na onye Odogwu God Blessing CEO arrested along the line orizie. But Blessing CEO, that is what she wished and wanted for herself. She kept on working until the day she unveiled her real house to people. It can happen anywhere. It is possible that nobody actually contracted her. It is possible that some people also contracted her. How far for that case? If you people have failed to prove that one beyond every reasonable doubt, what is there? You are waiting for another story for you to jump on. Bloggers will feed on it. They will leave it and go. Ebony Son and the rest of them are all content creators in the East. They can do investigative journalism and bring any information out there for you, but they are not interested in clarifying anything. They are only interested in feeding on that particular news at that particular time, making use of that propaganda to enrich themselves. The aftermath of that particular story is what they are not interested in. Use your brain. Use your brain. Use your brain. I am just here to ask you people, how far about Lovett, or have we forgotten about Lovett just like that? We have forgotten about Lovett just like that. No arrow or weapon fashioned against one of Ziobi and Zion, prosper. Time event has proven it. Time and event has proven it. In a check another news here pray on. Have you been able to establish anything? Nothing. The greatest shock Zion without Lovett without evidence. With evidence. The moment Zion Toria Akalabasa, the moment Zion Toria neutralize all the conspiracies, if at all there is any. If at all there is any. So in the chana manya sego ase hongo na Evangelist Ebukobi ade marriage mana prove volunya. I want you to prove it. I want you to prove one beyond the reasonable doubt. The other time anonebe na nando je na Zion je kwuokwu je na Zion na aya nando na chi oso na okwu na aya nando choro igwe Zion we welcome we na Lagos. Ojeba Evangelist Ebukobi out of his own magnanimity. Ole gonye ko always na sustain onwe na Lagos ka go ghara igwe. Ọ mapụta ọzọ n'ogburu ndị Zion wayo no mere nka no mere nka. The house of God will be free for everybody to come in. That is the only place where you can come in whether you are qualified or not. What I go in the mad feed here on it. Where is Anume Benando today? I am asking you, where is Anume Benando today? Because of the moon no tion na abu ebi. For the moon na subject you moon to abu mono medike ifolu unu to the next generation. What I go to the next generation. Ono na chukwu na etozi ogbo. Ono na chukwu na etozi ogbo. What I go? Onweho ka ị na-eje n'ubi ka ọ kanaka. It is only onye ofeke ya say that there is no God. What I go? Since ono one zali jugolo afọ we decide ikpechi unu mgba. Ka ifo ebe gwa ha ono na akụ ya elu. What I go? But remember, I still stand on Ebenkuru. Show me a concrete proof. We live in a Nigeria where you can establish anything. Ndo hini nezuwe na alo hiya mama. Mbaka na ato aka na ha nezuhi. Emechalo establish ye. To fodo n'ime nga, bo fodo n'ime hegbo na ha nezuhi. When are you going to prove to me that Evangelist Ebukobi na marriage? When are you going to? Every story that has come out, the controversy will end up being neutralized. Even in your advantage, you will fail to prove it. You will fail to prove it. You want to go? Oh no, the Zion Jeme Laveta arrest Sakeda on Afio. Manon cow independent people Jeme Lavet arrest. Yet they were unable to establish that she was contracted by Zion or Evangelist Ebukobi. That is to show you how innocent that man is. Overall, na faith ya support her. If a Zion name or if any other church name, Jebezie mebezie nga faith will support her. Go and do what works for you, but leave what works for me. I know that you people can forget easily. I forget here, ban another one, but we will not forget. We will not forget. I want you people to show us the update about Lovett. Stop asking us. It is left for you people to prove that now one day Zion G Lovett will make RNG. It is not left for Zion. Zion is there doing their thing. Go and prove yourself. If you have failed to prove it, then you need to come out and tell people that now Zion and Evangelist Ebukobi be innocent of that particular accusation on them. You want to go? We will never forget. We will keep calling your attention. Until then, you must prove to me beyond every reasonable doubt, with evidence, Evangelist Ebukobi indulge in any kind of RNG. If not that, one need for in a queen abasan midi. Don't play, or you will learn the hard way.